Love Magnanimals Motors Longford. Just like to show you our 231 CHR. This is hybrid Luna model. Finished in ash grey. Electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking, alloy wheels, front fogs. Bodywork in super condition. Very spacious boot, safety kit, protective mat supplied, reverse camera. So here in the back we have a lower interior with Isofix seats, loads of legroom in the back of this car, cup holders and the door cards, electric windows in the back. So up front we have automatic transmission, centre armrest with pocket, cup holder, USB and auxiliary ports, touchscreen radio, with Apple, Android and Apple CarPlay. Air conditioning, Bluetooth, heated seats, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, pre-collision alert, lane assist, push button start. This car has covered kilometres of 100,000 with service history. So that's our 231 CHR hybrid Luna model. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they would gladly help you out. Thank you.